Hi guys, Steve Crawford from Your Spending Coach, and today I want to introduce our personal banking and lending offer. Before I do start, the information in this presentation and video is of general nature only, and we haven't taken into any of your personal financial objectives. You would need to provide that to us before we could provide you with any personal advice. So why would you bother getting a loan or a banking and lending structure from anyone other than a bank straight away? Look, this is not about bagging the banks out. This is about saying that they're commercial companies, and obviously when they help you get your loan set up, they're going to try and do the right thing for you, but they've got to make money out of it as well. So you sort of have to come at it from a different angle, which is, well, they might not always get the loans set up in a way that it's right for you, whereas we work for you. So our job is to help you get the loans that focuses on things other than just the rate. It's about your short and your long-term goals, and having the ability to unlock some features within the loan products that can help you reduce your interest costs and allow you access to your money when you need it. Most importantly, it's about helping you understand how you can hit your spending and savings targets, because in our opinion, that's going to have the biggest impact on how fast you can pay your loan off. So how do we actually help? We'll provide you with advice around the best structure for your lending and your banking, and our mortgage broker, Sarah, will then source the best lending and banking solution to suit your needs. The way we help is across 4 different components, and the first of that is the banking and lending plan. So what your banking and lending plan is designed to do, first and foremost, our job is to educate you on how modern home loans work. Specifically focusing, as it says there, on the key elements of a loan that provide opportunities to pay it off faster, and this could be looking at things like offset accounts and the ability to have extra repayments going in. Next, we're going to look at how you currently bank and lend to help us understand and you understand what you like and what you don't like about the way that you bank today, because it's really important to be comfortable with your lending and your banking setup. We'll provide you with an insight into our ideal Your Spending Coach lending structure and how this type of setup can take years off your mortgage and save you thousands of dollars of interest if used the right way. And then give you a chance to explore how you actually want to set up your spending, storage and savings accounts and how to use them to hit your targets each month. Finally, at the end of this, it'll give us all the information we need to develop a recommendation on the best structure to help you hit your banking and your lending goals. Next step, if you've already got a property, this is about getting a valuation done. And the reason you want to do that is it's going to help give you an unbiased view of what your home's actually worth, because the banks these days are looking at really your servicing, how much you earn, how much you spend, how much you've got left over, and your ability to repay a loan. But they're also looking at how much your home is actually worth to base the limit that they lend you off of that. So it's really important to understand that before you choose a lender, not after. We'll then use that information combined with your income and expense details to source the best terms for you upfront from our preferred lending partners. Best terms includes the lending limit that they're going to offer, how much of a tailored discount they're going to provide to you off their standard variable rate, and any other features and discounts. Once you've got that done, then it's time to do an assessment. What you're looking at here is how much is the market going to lend you. Now obviously you don't need to use everything that they're going to lend you or borrow the whole amount, but it's good to get an understanding of what you would be offered and from who. It'll also give you a comparison of how your current lender stacks up if you're looking at refinancing, or how the market stacks up if you're looking at a new loan. Next, it's going to enable us to give you a credit proposal and preliminary assessment. So this is the document that we use to make a recommendation around who is, in our opinion, your best fit lender. So as I said, best fit, recommendation and implementation. What does it do? Well, it's going to enable you to actually stay exactly as you are now if you've already got a loan set up. So through this process, you don't need to feel obliged to have to change anything at all. You can stay exactly as you are now. You could choose to implement your setup via our ideal structure through our recommended lender. And that may actually be your current lender. To do this though, we'd need your help, as you have to do it yourself, because most lenders won't allow a broker to work on a loan where it wasn't created by that broker. You might choose to implement the ideal setup by a recommended lender, and that recommended lender might not be your current lender. In that instance, you could allow us to manage the process from start right through to finish. The most important thing is that you're going to see that you've got choices through this. You're in control, and you don't just have to take the loan with the cheapest rate or the easiest setup. So what does it cost? We believe we're delivering over $1,500 worth of value through this experience for you. The fees, $330 for singles, $550 for couples. The fees are waived, however, where a loan of more than $350,000 is taken out or refinanced through our broking service. Your pack includes your banking and lending plan, a personal lending assessment, one single internal property valuation, a best fit recommendation, and implementation the whole way through. So what are your steps from here? First of all, we're going to have a quick 5-minute phone chat just to get, in your own words, exactly what you're looking for help with, whether it's a new loan or refinancing, and what's important about the loan set up for you. We'll also explain how we help our other clients with their banking and lending goals. Next, from there, assuming you want to proceed to your banking and lending plan meeting, we'll send you so you can complete and return a personal lending calculator. That's going to be a really simple 2-page spreadsheet where you'll enter what you earn, what you spend, what you own, and what you owe. Also, a signed credit guide. Then you're going to join us for your 60-minute banking and lending plan meeting, either in person or online using our GoToMeeting software. After that, assuming you want to proceed with getting us to help you, as I said, set up a new loan or refinance, you would return your signed payment authority if that is applicable, and then we'll be able to prepare and present your personal lending assessment in another 30-minute meeting, either done online using GoTo or in person in our office in Port Melbourne. Finally, we're going to help you apply for and then implement your best fit solution all the way from that first initial application right through to settlement, out the other side with getting all your loans and all your accounts set up and making sure that your internet banking's working, helping you with your transfers, making sure your cards are working, and so that it gives you the best chance so that you can use your accounts the way that they were designed from day one. If you've got any questions, please email sarah@yourspendingcoach.com.au or give us a call on the number on the screen. Otherwise, we hope to speak to you soon.